Howdy, I'm James Hagedorn from the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Here in Wisconsin and across much of the mid-continent, there are literally tens of thousands of lakes and ponds. Do you ever wonder how they form? It turns out their origin is tied to a time tens of thousands of years ago when much of this landscape was covered by as much as a mile of glacial ice. As that glacial ice melted, it oftentimes left big chunks behind, sometimes as much as a mile in size. Those chunks of ice were sort of like a land iceberg, if you will. And all around them, as the rest of the glaciers were melting, debris was coming out of those glaciers, whether it be sand or gravel or rocks or even boulders, and it built up sediment all around those big piles of remaining ice. Well, eventually all the ice melted, including those big iceberg-like chunks of ice. And what it did was it left behind a depression where there was very little sediment. And those depressions today are filled by groundwater and rainwater and form many of the beautiful lakes and ponds that we see today.